As I mentioned, I am convinced that squirrels possess super speed. You would think those chubby cheeks would slow them down, but they don't. Look, I'm just keeping it real when I say that as a dog, I'm more likely to turn into a pickadoodle than catch a squirrel. Though I must admit, it doesn't stop me from trying. Wait a second, there's a big market out there for dogs trying to catch squirrels. Interesting. It just so happens that I fancy myself as something of an entrepreneur. There could be a big payoff here if I could solve this problem. Hold on, I'm getting an idea. What if I could train squirrels to, you guessed it, catch themselves?
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
A self-catching squirrel. It's genius. Who wouldn't want one? But as everyone knows, squirrel training don't come cheap. How would I get that kind of moolah? There's only one realistic answer. I'd have to rob a bank. I'm kidding, come on. I don't even have opposable thumbs. And to any young, impressionable pups out there, do not rob banks. Robbing banks is wrong. In any case, it's probably more realistic to form a company and sell shares as many other dogs have done. What's a share? A share represents partial ownership in a company. Some of those companies offer to sell their shares to the public. These companies are traded through a stock exchange. Buying their shares makes you a shareholder or part owner of that company that's selling the shares. In some cases, these companies might even pay out a dividend, which is a portion of the revenues that they make. The more shares owned, the more dividends you can receive. We'll learn more about shares and dividends soon. In the meantime, can I interest you in a trained squirrel? Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!